to Premium Tech Guide. Guys, we all know that Telegram has a lot of game for fun. We play a lot, but we cannot score much. But many users score much higher than us and win that game, and we cannot win. Because we don't have many scores. So today in this special tutorial, how to hack Telegram game bot score unlimited and become a winner like a pro Telegram user. Today, I will talk about Corsairs game score hack. Guys, first I open my Telegram app. And I select Game Bot Corsairs Game. Guys, watch full video and see what I do. Now I play this game. Guys, usually is the way we play this game. Guys, look, I'm trying to score a lot, but I cannot. Now see what I do. Click 3-dot button. And open in browser. Now we need to copy this game link. Now, I copied the game link. Now we need an app. App name HTML Website Inspector. Check description and download this app. Now we need to open this app. And we need to paste the copied link in the web address bar. And click Enter. Now we need a JavaScript code for Hack Game Score Unlimited. Check description and copy this JavaScript code. Now watch what I do. Now click play button. And click 3-dot menu. Click JavaScript Control Prototype. Now we need to paste the copied JavaScript code. And do enter. Now see what happened. Now we need to play game and follow my steps. Guys, look, all bullet removed. So it means danger mode removed. Now we can play simply. Now we can score unlimited. And we can easily win. Now one think, how to end this game. So don't skip and see what I do. For game end, we need a JavaScript code. Check description and copy this code. Guys, now click three-dot menu. Click JavaScript control prototype. Now we need to paste the copied JavaScript code. And do enter. Now look, bullet active and game end. Guys, an important problem. Why game score doesn't update? This problem one reason. When we try to score a lot, I mean many and many, then GameBot catch you as a fraud. Now one think, how to play this game will not catch me as a fraud. Just we will only score as much as I can to win, problem solve. Guys, really this amazing and cool trick. So guys, stay connected with us, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.